Chapter 9, Supply Chain Operations Performance Metrics. Metrics such as order and line item fill rate, on-time arrival, and item return rates are used. Efficiency, internal efficiency relates to Acton raise or supply chain's capacity to exploit its assets as profitably as practicable. Metrics such as inventory value, inventory turns, and return on sales are common indicators of internal efficiency. The capacity of an organization or supply chain to respond to unexpected consumers' requests for dramatically expanded amount of goods or specific items outside of the usual package of products offered is referred to as demand flexibility. Producer creation assesses a company's capacity to plan, build, and produce innovative goods to suit its customers. As those markets change over time, performance in this field is especially significant in emerging markets. As businesses examine the different performance indicators available, there are a variety of features that they can search for when choosing metrics to aid in business decisions. Successful supply chain efficiency metrics should have 5 characteristics. They should be simple to interpret, quantitative, calculate what is significant, affect correct behavior, and measurements should be easy to obtain.